Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the top left corner. Then, before creating new alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right one, select Settings, and adjust all of them however you want to, like snooze. When you finished, go back and tap on this plus button at the bottom. Now set up an hour. When you're ready, click on OK in the pop-up and then adjust all of those alarm options however you want to. If you wish to change your hour, click on it. Set up the best one and hit OK again. Then tap on Repeat and select days of the week that you wish to exclude. So I will stick with Mondays and Fridays. Now you can tap on this square next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. And finally, click on this little bell next to Vibrate. Now, by tapping Add New at the top, you can pick any song from your device and set it up. If you want to, you can always go back and pick one of those melodies instead. Just click on the best one and hit the back button. Now tap on Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and select OK. As you can see, after all that, my alarm was successfully created. To hide all of those settings, click on the bottom right corner of it. To make them visible, tap on the same one. If you want to switch off your alarm completely, tap on blue switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by hitting the same, now gray one. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, just tap on Delete option at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!